In Maple Meadow, a chatty fox and a giggling cloud creature greet each other with goofy winks and silly salutes. They attempt to bake invisible cookies, but the oven is a goofy dragonfly who keeps stirring with a rainbow spoon. When the cookies vanish, the pair blame a sneaky bragging sock, only to discover it hid inside a musical teapot. A tiny tortoise narrator explains friendships grow when you share, laugh, and try again, turning chaos into cheerful teamwork. They crown themselves the Sunny Snack Club, promising new adventures that teach kindness, creativity, and the magic of cooperation.